Welcome back to Rock It Don't Stock It, and today we will be looking at the Nike Epic React Flyknit. So we'll start by having a look at the details on the shoe, and then later on we'll talk about how it is on foot and how it feels, all those different things. So Nike kept it super simple with these, sticking the Flyknit upper on this new Epic React sole, the React sole unit. And comfort wise, which is I think the main point in this pair, comfort wise these are up there with the best, on par with the Boost and Ultraboosts, but not quite touching the Vaporflies and the Zoom Flies. So it's got a little Flyknit tag there showing the upper's Flyknit. On the heel cage they got the Nike text on the back. Heel canter, they got a little swoosh in there, which is a nice detail. Well, I don't think you can go wrong with Flyknit, to be honest. And then got a little pull tab, Epic React details on that. And then full black outsole and sole, full black upper. It's coming in quite a few colorways, this pair. Out of all of them, I'd say the white pair that came out was the best pair, but unfortunately they didn't have my size left. So I thought I'd have a look at what this all black pair is about. I'm not usually one to wear all black, it's not my thing, but these are pretty sick, especially the blue on the back. But let's get into how they feel on foot. So to my surprise, when I put these on, with no exaggeration, I felt like I was putting a pair of Ultraboosts on my feet. This sole is like mimicking Boost to the best level I've ever felt it. Like this sole right here is so spongy. It doesn't look it in pictures, but it feels so much like Boost. Well, Nike's always going to be compared to Adidas. So basically Adidas just throwing Boost on every single shoe that they could find, but now I feel like the good old swoosh is taking back the reins, especially with pairs like this. Trying them on and walking around a little bit, I know what sort of feel they were going for, and I think they hit the nail on the head. I think these are one of the most comfortable by Nike, and very Ultraboost like. I think if any Boost boys are watching this, or anyone into their Boost, anyone that's into all this, you won't find these anywhere though. Anyone into that, I think you'd love these. So the midsole is the React material. Outsole, they've got the harder rubber, which comes here at the top and on the heel, and then in the middle it's still pretty soft. So if you are going to buy these, I'd say either go true to size, or if you've got a slightly wide foot, you can go half a size up, which will help. These retail at £130, which is a fair price, as Ultraboost carries the same pricing. Let me know in the comments below, would you rock these, would you stock these, did you manage to pick a pair up? Let us know all that good stuff. What sort of pairs would you like to see us review next? And I'll have a few posts and pictures up about these on my Instagram at Rock It Don't Stock It. If you like the content, be sure to subscribe, and we'll have a on foot video coming after this.